In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money from PayPal. We'll walk through 3 simple methods so you can choose the one that fits your situation best, and I'll share helpful tips along the way to keep everything smooth and secure. First up is receiving money using your PayPal email. This is the most common and simplest method. All you need to do is share the email address that's linked to your PayPal account with the person sending you money. They open the PayPal app or go to the website, tap or click send, enter your email, type in the amount, and confirm the payment. That's it. Once they send it, the money appears directly in your PayPal account. To avoid delays, remind the sender to double check your email for typos. If you recently updated your email on PayPal, make sure it's confirmed on your account so payments land correctly. In most cases, funds show up right away and you'll get a notification. The second method is to request money from someone. This is great when you want to initiate the payment and keep everything organized. Open the PayPal app. From the home screen, tap Request, or you can tap Payments in the bottom navigation bar and then select Request at the top. Choose whether you're requesting from a contact or someone new. You can enter their name, PayPal username, email, or mobile number. Type the amount, add a short note if you want to clarify what it's for, and send the request. The person will receive a notification prompting them to pay. This method is handy because the request includes all the details, which reduces back and forth and helps the sender feel confident they're paying the right person. The third method is using your PayPal.me link, which is best for sharing. Open the PayPal app, tap Payments at the bottom, and select Request at the top. Scroll down and tap Share your link. On desktop, you might see this as paypal.me or create paypal.me link. If you don't already have a paypal.me link, go ahead and create one. Then tap your name to copy or share the link anywhere you need, text, email, or social media. When someone clicks your link, they'll be prompted to log into PayPal, enter the amount they want to send, tap send, and the money goes directly to your account. This option is perfect for quick payments without exchanging email addresses every time. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.